guys, so before I get started, I want to give a shout out to guys, so today I'm going to be opening my Christmas calendar. So it kind of broke when the calendar came. I'm disappointed that it's not Christmas no more, but at least it's better than nothing, right? So we're just gonna start opening it. So this one already came out. I don't know what number this was, and it's a Mochi one. So we're gonna start with number 1. So I'm gonna find number 1. Number 1's right. Whoopsie, you guys can't see. Here, so number 1's right here, so I'm going to open it. What is this one? Excited for this one. Ooh, this is a little cute bear, guys, look. At the end, I'm going to be opening all of them. Okay, now I'm going to look for number 2. Number 2. Whoopsie, I pulled the wrong one. Oh, this one's hard to open. This one. Oh, it's a little panda. That is so cute. I love that. Now, number 3, and I found it's right here. So let's see what's in number 3. And as I said, it was broken when it came. So yeah, at least it's better than nothing. Not even having a calendar. This one's a bunny one. That's cute. You can't really see it, but yeah, I like them. Number 3, number 4. Yes, I think this is the number 4, so let's open it. Okay, that came off. Let's see what this one is. Oh, it's a cute little elephant, guys. That is so cute. Squishy. I like it. After number 4, number 5. Do you guys see number 5? Oh, it's right here. Okay, let's see what I got in this one. What is this one? I don't know what that is, guys. Maybe it's a dog. I don't know. Tell me in the comments. So number 5, number 6. Oh, number 6 has a heart right there. And let's see what it is. Oh, it's a little hedgehog or porcupine. But where's number 7? 7. Oh, here's 7. Here's number 7. And number 8 stuck to it. Okay. What is this one? What is this? Guys, tell me in the comments what this is, because it's cute, but I don't know what it is. So, yeah. So, number 8 is right beside it. And we got a unicorn! This one's my favorite. It's a unicorn. You guys can't really see it, but I'm gonna open them after I get started. I want to give a shout out to Yukina, because she made a video for me and saying that Samantha's World, I challenge you to make your own lunch, but I already did one. So yeah, and the next one I'm gonna shout out is Little Mayang. And please connect to them. They're right here on my hands. So please connect to them. So number 9. We started off with number 9. Oh, that was number 20. Let's see. Okay, let's see. I think this is what is this? Come back and continue once my second break, because I need to go to school now.
A few moments later.
Okay, so I'm back now. So we ended off at 9, I believe. So let's go to 10. 10 is right here. Okay, this one might be hard, so you have to put it down. So yeah, okay, I got it, and it is. Oh, this is so cute, the dog paw. That is really cute. Okay, so let's go to 11. Oh, it's a koala. That's cute. That's cute. I like that. I like that. So after 11, 12, what is number 12? Oh, it's little piggy, that's cute. Okay, number 13. Okay, over here. It is, I don't know what this is. Maybe it's a bear. It's cute. So after 13, it's 14. Number 14. What is number 14? Oh, it's little hippo. That's cute. After 14, it's 15. Where's number 15? Oh, right here on the top here. Oh, it's a little rabbit. That is cute. Or bunny. Cute. After 15, it's 16. You guys see 16? Oh, it was right here. I think this is a dolphin. That's cute. I like it. Okay, after 16, it's 17. I don't know what this is either. After 18. Ooh, I think this is another rabbit. 19 is it's a little green walleye thing. 20. 20 is a little turtle. That's cute. 21. I think this is a seal too. After 21, it's 22. It's a little unicorn. I love unicorns. And then after 22, it's 23. Looks a little squirrel. After 23, this is the last one. And it is a squid or octopus. That is actually really cute. So I like that. So let's go open them. These are all the ones I got. So I got 2 unicorns and they're really squishy here. Look. It's kind of shaky, but I'm holding it. Let's see. It's actually really, and you can't really see them because I placed some soap on top of them, and then you're just gonna mix them around. Then I'm just gonna mix them around. And now my mochi smells. If you guys like this video, please hit the like button, and if you didn't yet, please subscribe and hit the bell with the wings, and because you're gonna get notified whenever I have a new video. So bye, love you all. God bless.